Till now we have seen the first concept in mathematics of doing multiplication. Now we will see the second concept. If any given number asked for multiplication, first observe the number and identify the pattern. Okay. Now if you see this number 82 into 88. If you observe this number, here the numbers in the units place, if you sum, the sum is equal to the 10, and remaining in the tens place or hundreds place, the number is same. Here units place sum is equals to 10 and hundreds place or tens place is same. In that case, what you need to do is you multiply the units number, that is 2 into 8. 2 into 8 is 16. Okay. In tens place multiplication, in the last way how we have done, we want to do the same, like 8 into 9. 8 into 8 plus 1, that is 9. So 8 into 9, 72. Understand the problem? Here in the units place, if you add the two numbers, the sum is equals to 10, and in the tens place or hundreds place, the place value will be same. If you want, you can take another example. It is 17 into 13. 17 into 13. Here the units value sum is adding to the 10. So 7 into 3, 21. 7 into 3, 21. So 1 into 2. 1 into 2, how much? 2. 221. If you want, we can take another example also. 135 into 135. Maybe some big example we have seen. Okay, no problem. See, here it is like the last kind of example, like method 1. You can solve in method 2 also. Why? Because here units value is 5 and tens 100 place are same. Plus here if you see units value sum up to 10 and tens place and hundreds place are same. So 5 into 5 will be 25 and 13 into 14. 13 square is 169. You need to add 13. So here 3 plus 9 will be 12. So here 2 plus 6 will be 8 and 1. So 182. If you want, you can see. Okay. Now in this we will see another example. 352 into 358. Yeah. Now if you observe 2 plus 8, the units place if you sum, that is equals to 10. In that case, what you need to do? 2 into 8 is 16, we need to write, and 35 into 36 we need to write. Okay, 35 into 36. 35 into 36, 35 square will be 35 into 35. Here we already know how to multiply this. 5 into 5 is 25, 3 into 4 is 12. So 35, and we should add 35 to this. So 5 into 5, 10. So 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 is 6, 2, 1, 1260. 126016. That is the value of 352 into 358. How much ever the big value, we are solving it in very less time. Okay. If you want, we can take another value. 53 into 57. 3 sevens are 21, 5 6 are 30. Within seconds we are solving, right? We will solve another problem. 14 into 16. Here also units value sum is equal to 10 and tens value or hundreds value will be same. 6 4s are 24 and 2. I think this we have solved. Yeah, this will be 224. Likewise, you can take your own examples and try to solve as many problems as you can. By this, you will gain the confidence in this method. Thereby, you will get confidence in yourself. So, first thing is, we should get confidence in the method. Then, after solving many problems, we will get confidence in ourselves. Then, we can solve this by using we can apply this to the any number of problems. Okay, this will be very easy method. So till now we have seen multiplication, two concepts. First concept is units place will be 5, tens place will be same, hundreds place will be same. Second concept is units place sum is equals to 10 and tens and hundreds place is same. This is the second concept. We will see remaining problems in the next video. Hope you liked the video, you liked the fastness. This is the greatness of Vedic mathematics. Okay, if you want you can take it any number I am saying no. You can multiply 123 into 127 very easily. 3 sevens are 21, 12 into 13. Only remember 12 into 12 plus 1. You need to add 1 to the units like tens value and hundreds value. 12 into 13. 12 into 13 how much? 144 plus 12. Okay. 144 plus 12, 6, 5, 156. So this will be the value. 123 into 127 will be this value. Likewise, you can solve n number of problems. You create your own problem and try to answer the solution. Try to get the solution for that. And if you solve these kind of things, I will get very much happy because you are doing very big multiplication within seconds. Okay. Thank you.